Hi, this is Berry Essentials. Hope you guys are doing well. I know it's been a little while since I've done uploaded a video. I've done some videos, but I have not uploaded any. But been busy and staying busy. But anyway, I did make some more car freshies and wanted to share those with you. I've sold several of them, but this one is mahogany teak wood, and I painted that one. It's a Christmas tree, and they smell so amazing. This one is a Christmas dwarf. He's so cute, and this one is scented with champagne. Smells just like the real thing. Everyone loves this one. Getting on my husband's last nerves. And I also did a turtle. And that one is scented with Paradise Island. And then we have a couple of other trees. And they are just colored differently. Decorated differently. What else did I do? Oh, I also did mahogany teak wood across. And let me see. Oh, this one smells just like coffee. Fresh brewed coffee. Like neat. Just like coffee. And oh, that one was cute too. I think that was one of the first ones I did. What else do we have over here? Oh, this one is Mama. There's another Mama. This one is mahogany teak wood, Mama. It's colored differently. And I did a pumpkin. Done one pumpkin. This is Orange Delight. And I call this one Shube. There's a mahogany teak wood of this one and a cool clear water. This one is gold trim and then this one is black. And let's see what we have in this tray. Oh, I did a sunflower rose. And I have football. I have a couple of footballs, mahogany teak wood and clean linen. And then I also did a baseball. So those are all of the freshies that I have done so far, or that I have left. And I'm going to be making some more in some other scents. So if there is a particular scent that you're interested in or that you're looking for, if you could let me know, and I can see if I have it, or if I can get that or make that for you. I hope you all are doing well as you're getting ready for the Thanksgiving holiday. Oh, I just love this cactus though. The cactus is a coconut lime. I love this cactus. I have a cactus and the little Jeep. I have palm trees. Need to do one of the fishes. So I do have some other ones as well. But I think, oh, and then there's some Freshie tins too. Okay, bye-bye.